Welcome back to Skills 101. Today we're going to talk about critical thinking. Critical thinking is an intentional process. It is about assessing the information that you have. That could be in the form of evidence, for instance. And then you would understand it. You assess it, you understand it, you evaluate the arguments that are there. It's very important. Try to look at the pros, the cons, try to look at it from different perspectives. And once you have got that holistic perspective of any sort of matter that you are critically thinking about, you will be able to form a judgment. And based on your judgment, you can make a decision. Now, it could be a business decision, it could be a decision in your own life, your personal decision about your career, about your family, etc. Moreover, critical thinking is not just about finding flaws. It is also about you being creative, about you stepping back and looking at how things are happening, right, before you make that judgment. Basically, if I give you an analogy, it's very similar to being a judge or a jury in a court of law, right? You listen to various arguments before you form that particular judgment. Of course, please do bear in mind that you cannot be a critical thinker 24/7. That would be totally exhaustive. Of course, we are human beings, but when it comes to things like important decisions in life, it is a must to be a critical thinker. It is about developing your higher order thinking skills. Now let's look at some tips how to become a critical thinker. Number one, it is essential to ask questions. Being inquisitive is a must, right? It helps you to understand things better rather than just accepting things. Number two, seek information from multiple sources. Of course, you cannot just rely on, for example, one website or one book that you're reading. It is a must to consult a number or a variety of various, it could be books, information in the form of journal articles, it could be newspapers, it could be going somewhere to gather data, like probably a governmental office. You have to do it. So seeking information from multiple sources would be able to refine that decision that you will be making afterwards. Moreover, evaluate the information that you have. When I'm talking about evaluation, it's also about understanding whether that information that you have got, it makes sense, it's valid or not, it's reliable or not. Consider alternative perspectives that will help you to form an objective judgment at the end of the day rather than being biased. Do engage in discussions and debate that will certainly stimulate your thinking even further. Last but not least, continuous learning is important as it will help you to widen your horizons. Hence, looking at things differently and also be able to become a better critical thinker. Hope you guys enjoyed this short insight on critical thinking. Stay tuned for more videos at Skills 101 UK on YouTube. Thank you.